In this video, you are going to learn 10 time saving tips for WordPress Block Editor users. So hey guys, my name is Raman and welcome to Webby Digital channel. I'm a big fan of WordPress Block Editor, which is called Gutenberg Block Editor, and it's really easy to use once you get hang of it. But like any other software, there are some tricks that can save you a lot of time. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So whether you are just starting it out with the block editor or you have been using it for a while, these tips will make your life a little easier. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do it, because in the upcoming days, months or year, we are going to discover each and every tool which is available for our digital marketing needs. So let's get started. So here I have a blog editor open in my development blog here. So I have written this Lauren Ipson blog. So what a great news post, and here I have a different, with the media and something like that. So in the first part of this video, I will say the first keyboard shortcuts. Okay, so in addition to the standard Control C and Control V, the block editor has a wide range of keyboard shortcuts to speed things up. You can browse the keyboard shortcut, like here you have options panel here, and go to this, and here is the keyboard shortcuts here. So there's a variety of keyboard shortcuts available for you. There's the selection shortcuts, there's the global shortcuts. I love using this because it make my life, or my blogging actually skyrocketing in the term of speed after using such shortcuts. I know it's a bit tricky when you apply it initially because it takes time to hang on it. So give it a time to it, you will get a hang on it in a few days. So here is different shortcuts available for you. Okay, and the simple is, like, if you want to emphasize some word here, like I want to emphasize a Lauren Ipson, so just type Control+B. it will just apply this particular bold typography here, and if I just type Control+I, so it will just apply the bold and italic here. So isn't it good? So these are actually the many keyboard shortcuts available, as you can browse in that option panel. But one I usually do is, like, if I am writing something in this paragraph and I want to add something to above to it, so it can insert a block before the active one, which is this. What you need to do is type Control+Alt+T. so here insert a block just before the active, which was this. Handy if you are just typing out something and you forgot something to type it out just before this particular block, then you can easily do that with the help of this. Otherwise you need to do it like entering enter here and just selecting out here like that, right? But all you need to do is just Control+Alt+T, and it will insert a block just before the active one. And if you want to try it just after the active one, what you need to do is Control+Alt+Y. here it will activate or insert a new block just after the selected one or active one. So there's some keyboard shortcuts you can hang off in it. Okay, so if you want to insert something like a URL, like you have typing out this, and if you want to insert a URL, either you can just select this link, or just click on Control+K, or just click on just type Control+K, and it will open up that URL window to fill your URL like that. So there's a different shortcuts to every scenario. So what all you need to do is, if you want to find all the shortcuts without going to the options, you have a Shift+Alt+H option. There you will get out the keyboard shortcuts here like that, just right there. Okay, also one thing I want to add to this is, if you want to add a link or a internal link to, like here you want to add some internal link to your post, like also read more, or you can say also read this particular block which you may have in your WordPress CMS. All you need to do is you need to type it out, open bracket twice, and it will open all the URLs which is actually posted on your WordPress blog, and you can just enter that particular URL as a internal link. So that's how you can actually do it without any hassle. So hope you got to know the keyboard shortcuts, and you can just browse the keyboard shortcut by yourself and just play it with it, and you will get hang on it in no time. So that was the keyboard shortcuts, obviously. And the next part, you can also drag and drop images. Like you have a image on your computer and you want to drag it on you want to upload it on your WordPress blog. What you need to do is, just if I have an image here, like here, if I want to upload that image to my blog, either you can do is just create a new block here and click on this part and go to the image, and it will open that media manager and you have to upload it from there, right? But what you can do is you can just copy, or you can drag and drop here, just like that, and it will start uploading and it will be there wherever you drop it. So that's how you can actually drag and drop images. So you can drag drop from anywhere to this particular blog and it will start uploading to this server or your server. So that's the second part, which is drag and drop images. So if you want to learn by reading, you have a blog link given in the description box where you can read this all stuff by yourself, and just you don't need to listen to my crazy voice. Okay, in the next part is quick navigation. So here I have a different elements in my particular blog. I have a paragraph, I have a video, I have a, let's say, heading here. Okay, let me convert it to the heading. So I have a heading 1, I have a heading 2, let me just convert it to heading here. Okay, so I have a different elements in my particular blog, and if you also have that long form blog post, and if you are it failed to navigate it, want to navigate to certain element on it, like a web, like an image, or like a heading here, like a link or something like that, you can easily do that with the quick navigation. What is quick navigation? Quick navigation is, well, so select this particular 3 lines here, which is the list view. Just click on it, so it will give all this list view of that. And if you click on this icon here, it will give you all the characters, the words, heading, number of heading are there, and the paragraphs, number of paragraphs are there, and number of blocks has been used in your blog. So that's how you can actually navigate through each and every element. And to navigate it, just click on this, and here you have a YouTube icon where YouTube video is being entered here, like that, right? So I've inserted this Post Malone Wow. Okay, it's one of my favorite songs. What's yours? Let me know in the comment box. So here is the different paragraph, and here's a different paragraph, and here's the separator. Okay, I have installed just for the demonstration purposes, and here's the heading. So here's the heading, and here you can view it as a list view. So hope you understand how you can actually quickly navigate through each and every element using this particular shortcut. So hope you understand until by now. If you are learning something from this video, please click the like button, and it will be a long video because it will take a time to demonstrate each and every tips. So moving forward to the fourth is copy and paste everything. Okay, if you have a blog, okay, if you have a blog or you are typing something from another blog to another blog, and if you want to copy each and element as a with the styling and with the heading or each and everything, all you need to do is Ctrl+A, right? No, you are not going to do it Ctrl+A. What you gonna do is go to that options panel again. Okay, here is the option is called copy all content. So if I click on this copy all content and go to my dashboard, let's just leave it out and create a new post. And after adding a post, let me just paste it here. So there you go, you will get everything. Okay, I have selected this as my heading, so it's not a heading. Let's give the title, this is another copied great post, right? Okay, anything. So now plus alt plus T, oh sorry, Control plus alt plus T to add here. Let me just copy that. There you go. So that's where you can easily add or copy and paste all the content of one blog post to the another using this particular trick. So hope you understand by now how you can copy and paste such stuff easily. So next step is copy and pasting entire Word file or a PDF file. You can also do that easily. So I have a Word file here. Okay, so I have this same file which is being used in this particular video. So let me just Ctrl+A, and it will just copy all the content of it. So let me just create a new post, leaving this section, add new. Let me add the title here. This is third great post. Okay, let me just paste down here. So there you go. You can easily do that using Ctrl+A, selecting Ctrl+C, and typing out here with the Ctrl+V. You can easily copy and paste everything. So there you go, you will got that particular URL which is here and embedded automatically. So hope you understand how to copy and paste everything from your Word file or a PDF file or something like that. You can easily do that using this particular trick. And now next is drag and dropping blocks. So when you change your mind about the order of your content in a post, you can easily drag and drop blocks to reposition them. So how you can do that? You can easily do that like let me just select this or this particular block. Okay, so this block is different, this block is different. What you do is you have a drag option here. Okay, you have a drag option, just drag it down to, you know, any part of your page. So it's just going slowly, I know. Okay, I want to drag it down here. So what you need to do is just drag it down there, and it will just copy and paste those content into it here, and you can easily reposition them using drag and drop blocks. So that is the 6th tips for you to use for the blog editor. And the next part, we will create a reusable blocks. So you may have something like you have an offer which you may want to include it in multiple blog posts or multiple articles, right? And sometimes you might need to replicate content on multiple pages like that. For example, a great author's biography, call to actions, or a signing of a paragraph at the end of each blog post, something like that. So you can easily recreate that. Suppose I want to, you know, just this is my favorite video like that, and I want to include it in multiple blog posts. So what you can do is either going to the YouTube again and copy that YouTube URL and pasting that in this particular blog post. You can easily make it a reusable blog such that you can easily insert that particular video in upcoming blog posts. So how you can do that? You can just click on this 3 options here, 3 dots here, which gives you the option panel, and here you have a name of option of add to reusable block. You can just type it out here, and you can create any name of it. Let me say wow reusable post melody. So there you go, just save it out. So the reusable block has been created. Like if I want to insert that here, I don't need to copy that particular URL and pasting it down here. What I need to do is click on this and search for the reusable block. So here is the reusable block, just copy that or click on it, it will start embedding that particular URL. So this is for just for the video. You can reusable anything on your blog editor, reusable call to actions, reusable biography. You can also do that with this same trick. So that was the 7th trick which you can create a reusable block. Okay, now we are moving forward to the 8th, which is add columns. You can easily create or add columns here. Okay, let me go to that particular blog, the first one, the original one, or you know, copy grid post, just going here. Okay, so like here, if I want to create a column using this particular paragraph and this, because this particular paragraph is representing this image. So if I want to create a column to, you know, to put it in the side by side, what you need to do is just select both the block types and create a column. How you can do that? Just select this, drag it down. Okay, so select it. So you will get this particular layer type of icon. It says the change the type of 2 blocks. Click on it, click on the columns. Okay, so it will start previewing this. You can see you can easily just, you know, create different dimensions of the image by clicking on the block editor here. You can create a different dimensions here, or you can say resolution. So you can easily do that. So that's how you can create a column. So adding column is actually the straightforward in this block editor. There's no need to use a plugin for this purpose. Select column from the list and list of available block types and choose your preferred column layout, and there you go. So if you want to change the layout of this particular column, just click on this particular block, go to the column section. Yeah, you can preview everything from here. Okay, so here change to the vertical align to the top or align to the middle. So the image will be aligned to the middle. Okay, and there's a line to the bottom. You can easily align that particular to the bottom such that it will just align based on your styling. So you can easily create that using the adding column function. So hope you understand by now the 8th tip. And the 9th tip is we are going to transform blocks. The ability to transform blocks saves time if you change your mind to make a formatting mistake. Okay, suppose you have a text that needs to be heading, bullets, or a quote. Like here, I want to change, let's change this to the H3. So it's a heading H2. You can easily go to here. So it's already different type of transform options available. So you have a quote, so it will change to the quote section. So if you want to change it to the list, you can easily change it to the list. If you want to change it to the pull quote, you can also do that same. So that's how you can easily transform your block. Like here, this particular paragraph, I just want to change it to quotes because it is said by some famous psychology guru or celebrity here. And if you want to do that, just click on this particular Q, which is actually tells you the current styling of the paragraph. So it is the paragraph. If you want to change that or transform it to quotes, just click on the quotes, it will change to the quotes. So hope you understand how we can easily transform blocks using this particular function. And going to the 10th and the last, which is to explore the custom blocks. If you want to explore the custom block, if you are unsure what you are actually doing it, so what you need to do is you can easily just create one block here or block here. Just check if there is some block editor available for your custom styling. Like here, click on browse all, so it will open a new sidebar here. You can just browse it out. Like if you want to insert some media with the text, cover, file, video or design, there's actually a plenty of blocks available here. You can also browse the reusable here. You can also create a pattern. Like here, this is a ready-made available from the WordPress itself. So here is the block, media, design. There's a various categories of a reusable block or blocks available for your theme. So if you are using a paid theme, there may be more blocks available here like that. So you can just copy or create a, like if you want to create a tweet from here, you can easily embed a tweet using this particular block. Okay, enter the tweet and it will click on embed and it will create the embedding of that particular tweet. So hope you understand all these 10 tips and hope it will help you amplify your skills using WordPress block editor. And if you are new to the WordPress block editor, I know it may be so many new things to you, so I hope this video will help you out to understand how block editor works and how you can take these tips to the level in your daily blogging. So happy blogging, guys. So if you like this video, click the like button, and if you want to share it with your friends, family or even a co-worker, use the share button. And if you want to comment something like you hate my voice or something like that, you have a comment box. You just give me any hard stuff you want to throw at me, just give it in the comment box. So if you want to learn so much thing from me in the future, click on the subscribe button and see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.